Hello, this is Trier in the Writing Center, and I've been going through some of the paper reviews and noticing a few common trends. So I've got a blank document here, and I'm just going to start typing, and then I'm going to go through and show you how to do some of the formatting. So for the English 120 courses, a title page isn't required at the beginning of the year. So some instructors ask for you to go ahead and put your name and then maybe the course and the date, um, and sometimes the instructor's name on your paper. But that's going to be instructor specific. Some don't require it at all because you're turning it in through Canvas. So we're going to pretend that I am doing this on that very first English 120 assignment. That is a full paragraph talking about someone who is really important to you. So I'm not going to type real words. I'm just going to do some gobbledygook. So when I'm beginning my paper, I go ahead and I indent, which was using the tab key. And then when I get to the end of the line, you can see it just goes ahead and it wraps around. Okay, and so then we'll do a period and then do some more. And we're going to do a couple more lines and then there we go. Okay, so what you're seeing is like as I'm hitting the space bar for some reason, it's taking those and putting them on a separate line. And I think that's because I have words that are like really way too long. So let me just go in here and divide up all this nonsense. Sorry, bad example, but the next part that I'm going to show you is going to make so much sense. Then you're going to be like, oh, now we know why she did that. Okay. So one thing is I want you to notice that I did not hit enter ever. I have yet to hit enter except for to create these spaces. So it feels like some of you at the end of your papers, at the end of the line right here, you're hitting enter twice so that you can get that double space. And you don't need to do that. That actually, when you go back and make corrections or edit your paper in any way, it's actually going to cause problems. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the full content of your text and you're going to highlight it. So to do double space, depending on the size of your screen, the double spacing icon shows up right here. If you don't have enough, it's over here under these three dots, and it's called line spacing. Well, double means two, so we're going to go to 2. And then there, your paper automatically double spaced. For APA formatting, you also want to have Times New Roman. So you're going to go up here to the font name box and you're going to click on Times New Roman and all of that changed. I do need to go ahead and grab this part as well. Times New Roman. And then we're going to do the whole thing and we need to make sure that it is in 12-point font. Okay. So now we've got our 12-point font. We're double spaced. The other main criteria is to make sure that you have 1-inch margins. So to do that, sorry, my little doohickey bobby is in my way. You click on layout, and then right here you're going to click on margins. And if you have the normal setting chosen, then you're good because it shows you that your margins are 1 inch on the top, 1 inch on the bottom, 1 inch on the left, and 1 inch on the right. And that is what basic APA formatting is. So we're not going into references or in text citations or anything like that. This is for, when you're just doing a writing about a family member, somebody who's important to you, you're writing to a professor, just a letter, anything like that, this is the proper formatting. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Writing Center. We are here to help you.